This is the old Afton depot. It's now a law office. So we're at the trailhead of the Blue Ridge Tunnel. It's a hiking biking pathway. East Trailhead. The Blue Ridge Tunnel was constructed between 1849 and 1859 beneath Rockfish Gap, Blue Ridge Parkways. And here it is, right here. We are right here. We're gonna go down here to this portal, and then the tunnel is 4,073 feet. 4,273 feet. Here comes that same train again. It says Buckingham Branch. All right, we're walking towards the Blue Ridge Mountain, and that's the Blue Ridge Mountains right over there in the background. He must be in the tunnel, or about to enter it. The Blue Ridge Tunnel. Claudius Crozet was born in France, grew up in Paris. He came to the U.S. in 1816. He studied engineer and attended artillery school. Served as an officer in Napoleon's army before immigrating at age 26 in America. Same restless motion and ever-increasing speeds marked the mood of the people. Shortly after Crozet arrived, he was appointed as assistant professor of engineering at the U.S. Military Academy at West Point. 7 years later, he became chief engineer of Virginia Board of Public Works. By 1837, railroads were in the ascendancy. Board of Public Works admitted that Virginia lagged behind other states and rehired Crozet the same year. I wonder why that town was called Crozet. Now I know. It's named after this guy. This is Nelson County, Virginia. In early 1850, hundreds of Irish famine immigrants poured into the counties of Albemarle, Nelson, and Augusta. They came to build the Blue Ridge Railroad and its 4 tunnels. And they made 75 cents a day. Wow, and they got a raise to $1.12 an hour day. Wow, that was hard work. In all, 190 Irish on the Blue Ridge Railroad line died from disease, infection, or work accidents. 850 Irish worked on this railroad. We're getting closer. That's quite a turn right there. Yes, here it is. National Historic Civil Engineering Landmark, Crozet Blue Ridge Tunnel, 4,273 feet in length, was the longest railroad tunnel in North America when constructed in 1849 through 1858. Irish and enslaved craftsmen and laborers excavated the tunnel using hand drills and black powder. Chief engineer Claudius Crozet designed a singular elliptical cross-section for the tunnel to minimize rock removal. Look at the seepage of the water.
Well, that's the other end.
Wow, what a damp, dank place to work in. It's quite dark in the very middle. There's a telephone telegraph line up there, or a pole. Look at that tree hanging down like that. This tunnel remained in use for 85 years, from 1858 up until World War II.